Good. Good morning or good afternoon for Eastern timers. Welcome to day 3 of our workshop. Over the past 2 days, we've explored incredible insights into data management challenges and solutions across a wide range of fields, from ecological monitoring to astrophysics and oceanography. Today, we continue this journey with more fascinating talks from experts who will share their experiences, innovations, and lessons learned. My name is Jarek Nabrzyski. I work at the University of Notre Dame. I am co-PI on CI Compass. At Notre Dame, I lead a center with over 50 research scientists, faculty, and staff supporting computational science and scientific AI at Notre Dame. I will chair today's session. I will hand over to Eva at around 11 a.m. Pacific. So this workshop is organized by CI Compass. For those who are coming here today for the first time, CI Compass is the NSF Cyber Infrastructure Center of Excellence and provides expertise and support to large-scale research facilities. Our mission is to help these facilities optimize their data management, sharing, and cyber infrastructure systems. By connecting diverse research communities, fostering best practices, and offering innovative solutions, CI Compass ensures that critical scientific data is accessible, usable, and impactful. So we work across various domains to address challenges in data lifecycle management, storage, security, and cloud solutions and integrations. And whether you're exploring solutions for your facility or seeking to collaborate, CI Compass is here to guide you. So let me first maybe start with some recap of yesterday's sessions. We had 5 talks yesterday. So first one, Dan Cox discussed best practices for data sharing at NERI and WAVE Research Facility, focusing on fostering a data sharing culture and balancing research support, ensuring data usability via data depot. And he also talked about key challenges that included encouraging timely publication and making datasets practical for diverse users. Then also shared their experience of reducing the time from data collection to publication from 2 years to 3 months. Then the next one was Benedict Riddle from IceCube, who explained how IceCube Observatory manages data transfer from its remote location at the South Pole to the USI. He also highlighted strategies for handling intermittent connectivity, managing simulation data, and ensuring smooth data analysis workflows. Jameson Rawlings from the LIGO Observatory, he provided insights into improving data flow for gravitational wave detectors to enable low latency analysis. He emphasized the importance of prompt identification and localization of gravitational wave events for multi-messenger astronomy. The next talk was by William Mullane from LSST, or Vera Rubin Observatory. And William talked about data management system, which processes 20 terabytes of data nightly. So every night they generate another new 20 terabytes. The system supports a wide, deep survey of 18 billion stars and 20 billion galaxies, marking a significant advancement in optical astronomy. The Jeffrey Gladstein's talk about OI, Jeff shared the architecture behind the OI designed to manage a continuous 30-year data stream. He addressed challenges like storage constraints, data discovery, and forward-looking strategies to support OI mission. Today, we have another set of interesting talks, and we're going to start with Christine Laney from the NEON. Christine will introduce the groundbreaking work of NEON, a large-scale research infrastructure collecting vast amounts of ecological and environmental data across the United States. With over 16,000 sensors and 400 field technicians generating billions of data points, Christine will explore how NEON innovates hardware, software, and architecture to manage the data streams efficiently in the cloud. Then the next talk will be by Robert Tawa. He will represent the data management solutions for of the Daniel Insu Solar Telescope, the KIST, which generates terabytes of data nightly from numerous instruments. He will highlight the scalable microservices architecture that ensures the reliable transfer, storage, and cataloging of data while making it searchable and retrievable for users. Then Ben Biffard from Ocean Networks Canada will discuss Ocean 3.0, Canada's comprehensive software system for managing data acquisition, storage, and distribution. Operating cabled observatories across Canada's coasts and global platforms, Bell will share lessons learned over the years, focusing on overcoming challenges posed by diverse instrumentation and data products. Then we're gonna hear from Rob Casey from EarthScope. He will delve into the data lifecycle of geophysical measurements collected over the past 5 decades through NSF-funded facilities. He will discuss advancements in data collection technology, current challenges in cataloging and accessibility, and then the future demands of geophysical research as the field continues to evolve. So, and then Eva will give us a kind of workshop wrap-up and summary. So the format for today's talks, each session is 30 minutes. Each talk is 30 minutes. We're going to give 25 minutes for the presentation, followed by 5-10 minutes for questions, but it has to close within the 30 minutes. So speakers, I'm sorry, I will be interrupting you if you exceed your allotted time. The talks will begin at the scheduled time, so if we finish one talk earlier, we have to wait until the assigned time. And all the sessions will be recorded and shared with the community. Please raise your hand to ask questions during the Q&A. You can also post your questions in a Zoom chat. We also monitor the Slack channel, so we try to answer or get the speakers to answer all the questions. But also please use the Slack after this workshop is finished to continue your conversations. As we dive into the discussions, let's keep the spirit of collaboration and curiosity alive. We really want you to participate, and your questions have been instrumental in making this workshop a success. So please continue doing this, and we really want to hear from your unique perspectives. Let's make the most of today's sessions as we learn, share, and innovate together. So thank you again for being here, and let's start. I think let's go to the first talk.